Hi all, welcome to Flower of the Day series. Today's flower is Donkey Orchid flower. We all have heard about orchids, and this is an interesting flower present in the Australian subcontinent. Orchids generally help us with creativity and towards our sensitiveness, whereas donkey orchid flowers helps bring more positivity into our lives to release those thoughts that are haunting us from our past, maybe due to past injustice happened to us or any wrongs being done to us. We will be able to find detachment and be peace with ourselves without having any vengeful emotions towards any past situations. Now, gently close your eyes and take a deep breath. Visualize the donkey orchid flower in front of you with its structure, patterns, and colors, seeing them or feeling them vividly. It gently helps us to release all those harboring blames that have been hardened in our hearts, gently releasing them all from the past, forgiving those actions of others so that we can take in charge of our life and move forward. Imagine or recollect a past incident from which you would like to detach yourself from and move forward in life. Seek the energy of Donkey Orchid flower to assist you with this process, softening your heart, bringing in more positivity, and taking charge of your life, and take responsibility for a better tomorrow. Feeling so good. Gently open your eyes and take a deep breath. Thank you. If you like this video, do share and subscribe my channel.